So as I said, this is 36 lot area, and this is a row house, 24 floor area. So it's kind of small.
24 square meters for
24 square meter floor area. So this is the living room. This is only wooden finish. And this is the kitchen and a small room.
yeah.
And it's like toilet and bath. So there is no shower.
Meron po, ma'am. Hindi lang po, hindi
Okay.
nakakabang na po.
Still with shower. And there is a dirty kitchen. Small dirty kitchen. So this is for 532,900. 532,900.